Sweet pepper.
Yeah, I think around 1,500.
1,500. That's expensive.
Yeah.
So we're gonna build our own, grow our own.
Garden.
Okay.
And plant our own vegetables.
Yeah, we're making a garden here.
Yeah.
This was not my idea,
This
but it's a
one,
good
you know,
idea.
I have to do it like this because of the chicken them. And the chicken them like to come around and graduate things. So what I am doing here right now, I'm cutting here them pallet them in two, like this. And we're gonna make like a runner. It's gonna be like a runner.
Where's this gonna go? Right here?
No, it's gonna go around there.
Oh, okay.
So the board then we're gonna use the board then and make a runner, also a shield to protect the plant from chicken.
That's a good idea.
Stay tuned for that. Me right now.
Wait, sorry.
Electric saw here.
This is what I was hearing.
Make a lot of noise. So now watch it nice. And we'll see.
Okay. Yeah, the electric saw is over here and it's really strong on the wood. The little splinters in the air are going everywhere, but I'm gonna try and film it still. Okay, so now it's split in two pieces, and we're gonna have a nice garden soon. Look, a customer is here now. This a customer?
Yeah. Strong back drink.
Oh, strong back. Alright. So many types of drink like that in Jamaica. I think everyone's good in that area. No one needs more strong back. Good morning, guys. Yeah, so we're doing a bunch of interesting stuff today. We're gonna build a whole garden and make like a little fenced area and start growing sweet peppers and a bunch of stuff. So we already grow so many foods here, so we're just gonna be growing more foods. Probably eventually we'll sell them at the store too. But yeah, I'm gonna show you what's going on. Well, this is how they look now. See, they're cut into multiple pieces so they can make like a little shape for the garden. So look how cool this looks. This is what it turned into, and I guess all the pepper and everything is gonna go in there. But wait, so the chickens, are you gonna extend it this way? Oh, so but the chickens can't get in here?
No, because they can't get in there. Them now can't get in there because guess what now? This not done building like this now. I got dump up with salt. So I will pick up salt from here and throw in there and fill it up to an extent. Then when I plant the things them now, I'm gonna buy about 6 feet of mesh wire, thick mesh wire then.
Okay.
So you plant the things them down there, you're gonna just cover it with the mesh.
Oh, so the soil, and the soil is gonna be like flattened off like that.
Yes, and the soil will be flattened off like that.
Okay.
So this soil gonna dig up from here, full up in here.
Okay.
Put it in one level.
All right. I needed some shade, but yeah, you guys heard. So that's how the garden is gonna be. I'm really excited. I planted actually some sweet sop the other day, and I think we planted a few things in a pot, and for some reason they didn't grow. There was a lot of ants, so we're thinking the ants got them. But anyway, we're gonna go into town in a few minutes, so maybe I'll show you guys that, but just keep watching. Alright guys, so I just got back from in town. I took a taxi back and I got a bunch of stuff, as you can see here. So I'm just gonna show you because I actually got like interesting stuff that I want to try. So in a second we're gonna try this and we'll let you know. But this is Irish moss, like cold juice. Actually they said to put it in, to keep it in the fridge, and it's been out for a while. But it has other stuff in it like Irish moss, milk, nutmeg, linseed. I don't know what that is, you guys. And then some other things like lavender, red lavender. So yeah, we're gonna try this in a second. And also I've been obsessed with these drinks. True Shake. They're not really healthy, but they're like these little protein shakes, and I got vanilla and chocolate, and I got peanut. I was eating the Ensures all the time, but then I started getting these. I also got cream cheese because I wanted to have us try, well, I always eat it, but I wanted to have Vico try this on lox with bagel. but I didn't end up getting bagel. Instead, I just got this bread. We've been eating like a loaf of bread every like 3 days. It's kind of crazy. And then I got a little baby toothbrush. But yeah, that's what I got at the store. I'm so good now with like the taxi system and everything. Yeah, so I went into town and came back, and I'm gonna try the drink now. I'll show you guys how the drink tastes. If you guys have had this drink before, let me know. There's also some like natural iris moss here that is sold at the store, but I haven't tried it, so this will be my first time trying. Also, I keep saying I'm gonna stop wearing these t-shirts because they're so hot here, but here I am, sweating again. All right, so I'm gonna go back. Also, I'm gonna post a video, you guys, of when he built me this little table area so I could do the dishes, because I was doing it in a different area. And now I'll show you. Now there's like a really pretty view where you can just sit and see the whole field. So look, it used to be right here. Well, you can't really tell in this clip because the clothes are drying, but it's a really pretty view. Look. Yeah, this is the view now, right in front of the house. So it's really pretty.
Trying Irish mush. Irish mush.
And I just poured some in a cup, you guys, and it's really thick, so let's see.
Them say when you drink them juice, you breed girl.
Yeah, they say that about every drink here. How is it?
Jesus Christ.
It's good? Is it sweet or... okay. Obviously it's good, everyone. He's just trying to steal it. It's delicious. They said there's some lavender in there. Can you taste it? Lavender?
Yeah, man, nice.
Oh, really?
Oh,
okay, I'm gonna taste it next. I just tasted it too, and it's actually really good. I realized though the nutmeg is what's making it really good. That tastes delicious. The only thing, it's a little thick, so I'm gonna add some water to mine. Or you know what, coconut water would be much better to add to make it like less thick. But yeah, I recommend this juice. Look at this chicken with baby chicks. This is my new dishwashing station that was built for me. But look. Look at the chicks. Do you see them? Look, baby chickens. They're so cute. These are new babies, I think. From yesterday. 4 days. Did you see them being born? They're so cute. I'm gonna have like 30 chickens. I want to film you a Tupac shirt now. You're gonna have like 30 chickens. I realized what they're doing. I poured some rice on the ground to clean the pots, and the babies and the mother are eating the rice. See? They're looking for rice.